What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today I got this light fixture from Amazon. You know, when I usually get like bathroom lightings and stuff like that, I usually get it from Home Depot or Lowe's. But this time I decided to go with Amazon. As usual, I'll put a link in the description. I'm not going to take up too much of y'all time. This glass cover. So you have to take the inside out. Take the inside out, put that in. You screw this back inside. It's a little tight, just to let you know. Like my hand barely could fit and I have a small hand. So just to let y'all know, give you a heads up, so your hand will be a little tight on the inside. So if you have big hands, you might need to use like a tool to reach in there and twist. All right, and you have the hardware in the back. All you gotta do is unscrew this off, put the plate on. You got your wires, your neutral, your hot wire, and your copper wire. Put it up, screw it on, and that's it. So just showing y'all this real quick, and I'll show y'all what it looks like down in the basement. Okay, you guys, let's install this light. Sorry for the lighting, but you know, before you do this, you turn your circuit breaker off. So let's get started. Okay, so when you install this, you want to go up and down because that's where the hole's at on your fixture. If you go left and right, then your hose, your fixture will be like this. Or you can go up and down like this. So whatever one you like. Your wires through here. Not too tight. If you don't have one, get one of these small levelers. Very tiny, but effective. So you can always level what you need to level, right? All right, now we don't want to do it too tight. Put it in, one at a time. White, black, no wires exposed, forcing. All right, and if you have OCD or whatever, you could put this on and it is perfectly leveled. This is a magnet, and of course, that is metal because it's sticking on and you can see if it's leveled or not. And let's turn the breaker back on. And the breaker is on. We have light. So from this video, it took me about 15 minutes. If I had all my tools prepared with me, it would have took maybe like 10 minutes. But other than that, that's what the light looks like over top of your vanity. And this is not bad. I like this design. This type of stuff is easy update for your house. Like I said, make sure you turn your circuit breaker off. That goes to the electric source that you're working with. Okay, that's it for that. And I hope y'all like this product. If you bought this and if you probably searching on the internet, you probably dropped onto this video. So like, comment, and please subscribe.